I welcome you all to this topic, and in this topic we have support and resistance. So after this topic you will understand everything about support and resistance, how to trade using support and resistance, and also what the meaning of support and resistance. As a new trader that is coming into the system, the first thing you need to note first is your support and resistance. You have to understand it very well. With support and resistance, you can place trade by yourself. You can even use support and resistance and determine your entry point and your exit point. Your entry, you enter at the support and you exit at the resistance. So how to navigate through all this is what I'm going to show you in this topic. So let's start. Support and resistance and how to use them to determine the price action. So what is support? Support level, this is a price level whereby demand of crypto asset is strongly enough, thus preventing the price to decline or falling more. It can also be explained as the level at which traders or investors jump in to buy securities while sellers become less inclined to sell their crypto. So it's telling you that support is just like the word implies, support, anything that is giving support to something for that thing not to fall. So let's assume I brought this book, this book right here. So and this mouse is falling from the upside. Okay, if this mouse is falling, it will drop here. Now once this type of thing happens, this book is now my support. Okay, this book is the support that hold this mouse. Now this mouse is what is called the price, the crypto price, maybe FTM price, Bitcoin price. This is the mouse and this is the support, and support is always represented by, we draw support in the chart using trend lines. So this is just a practical example of the meaning of support. Now, so I will go to the chart right now and show you what I mean by support. So now this is our chart, and in this chart it is very clear and very easy to know where is our support. Now in crypto, a support can be determined as a support where the price has fallen maybe 3 to 4 times. Okay, this price has fallen to that level and pumped. It fall for the first time and it pumped back, second time and it pumped back. A critical level will be this. So now this place is a critical support. If you trace on from the beginning, you can see that the price was falling from here and it dropped here, it pumped up again, so till here again, and the fall down again to this place. It happened again also to this place. It happened again also to this place. So as a trader, once you spot in this place as their support, you place your buy entry, or you place your buy entry to that level. Now here there is something that happens once a support didn't hold. We have many supports like this place. Now you can also call here a support. Okay, this area, now this area can also be your support. Okay, this area can also be your support. And if we go more, you can see that there are more supports. There are some things that will happen in the market whereby the support will be lagging. Now the support will not hold the price. Maybe some certain things that happen fundamentally. Okay, then fundamentally that is what happened here. Or maybe if BTC is dumping drastically, there is no way that this 1 2 3 support is going to hold this price here. That's why it passed the support. And in crypto, once you notice that a particular support has been broken down, now your the next place you will target is the next support, which is from here. Is the next support. That is the place you will target. You target the next support. Now, you noting that this place has been broken, you can use the past record by going backwards, from here. Now, by going backward from here, and you will notice that from there you will see that there is a support here. Then you place your target right here. That is if you are shorting it, because once you notice that this place has been broken, the next thing you do is you shut down, because this place has been broken. It's likely possible, 90% possible, that before that coin start pumping again, is going to meet the next support. So this is a practical example of what is support. We are talking about support right now. So let's go back, and I'll show you more things that you need to note on support. Now, support and resistance have been confirmed by investors and traders past record that when price attains support level, demand overcomes supply. As a result of this, the price is being prevented. So this is place I'm reading so that you can be seeing me. The price is being prevented from declining further than the support level. Okay, so as areas sorry for the delay. So let's continue. Now, this is a point. Note this point down. As area where many buyers and sellers convert volumes, increase is imminent. Thereby, the buyers are attracted. Support level can be confirmed as support when the price has bounced off from that level many times. So this is where you note that this is a support, as I have showed you in the chart. When the price has bounced from 1, 2, or 3, it can also be 1, depending on how you see the past records, then you can confirm that this area is a critical support. Now, if the power of the sellers are greater than the buyers, then the price is liable to fall more below, thereby turning the support level to a resistance level. Now, this is what I mean by this. Okay, this is what I mean by this. What happened here is a typical example. So now, once the sellers are more powerful than the buyers, so the buyers couldn't hold this price right here, so it kept falling down more. And once this happens, you can know that the support didn't hold it. What you look out for is the next support below, and that is where you can go and find the price. This is technically happening 80%, 93% of what is happening in the market are all based on technical analysis. And this is, once you note this, there are some times that I don't trade. If I didn't see something like this, I will not trade. So I wait for the price to go off, then I can trade. Okay, I'll wait for the price to go off, then I can trade. So there are many instances that it happened like this. You can see here, this is also a support, this is also a support, this place is also a support. Okay, once the support is broken, now support now becomes resistance because the price is now coming from the downside. Now we have much similar thing to happen here. Now this is current thing that is happening on Matic. This is Matic, so let me show you what happened in the Matic today. Okay, this is BTC, this is Bitcoin. So let me show you what happened on Bitcoin for you to know that support and resistance is critical, and it almost every time, every day in our chart you see it happen to real. Now this place, Bitcoin was falling from here in the morning, it was falling to here. Okay, and it reached, why is it that Bitcoin reached here and started going up? Why is it that Bitcoin reached here and started going up? Now, why? Note this. Bitcoin reached here and started going up because of one thing. Buyers are here. Many buyers has placed their buying order in this spot, waiting for BTC to come there, because they have known, using technical analysis, they have known that BTC broke this place. So the next place they want to find it is here. All this place, this is area of value. This place now is area of concentration. This is area of value. You understand? So some people place their buying order from here. Okay, some of them placed their buying order from here. So some place their buying order here, some place their buying order right here. So still hold, because this place is also a support. This is a support, this is a support. Okay, now so those that place their buying order here has been picked, and they are now riding this trade from here. They are now riding this trade from here. So let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that. So now this is a place is spawned, it's dropped. This is also a critical support. If we now want to check it from where the big candle started coming, okay, where the body of the candle started coming out, you can see that you can place your support here. You see here, you see here, you see here. These are places that you can determine as all these areas as your support. You place your buying order here, and the price will now start pumping. All these things are your profit. You have made profit depending on the time frame, whether you are trading futures or you are trading spot. From there you are making profit. This is one thing good about support and resistance, knowing how to spot your support and resistance. So now the next thing you do is, because you might launch in on your chart for the first time, you will not know where this thing lies. So what you do as a trader is, first of all, don't go back from the back. You can use 2 to 3 points. Like now, this place is 18th May. You can start from 18th May, or you can start from maybe 14th May. That you can look at below here. You can see you can start from 14th May. Now you can start from 14th May and you trace back to the present, what is happening in the present. Okay, then you will use what is happening and you determine your trade. Now so the next thing here is resistance. So what is a resistance level? This is the price level where sellers are strong enough in order to sell the asset. Okay, this is a price list, a level where the sellers are based on. So a resistance level, practical method of a resistance level is, let me use this as an example again. Now, this mouse, look at this mouse. This mouse, okay, is like, let's assume this particular mouse is a flying object, like an aeroplane, okay, or a bird that is flying. Now, this mouse is now flying up, and there is something that this book is placed here. So, this mouse will fly. It cannot pass this book without hitting this book, okay? So, once it hit this book, what happens next? This mouse will fall down. This is a typical example of resistance. Now, let's go to the chart and I'll show you how to spot a potential resistance. Now, okay. Now, for the first time, as BTC price is coming up, there are many resistance for you to note. Now, we are done with the support. We want to check the resistance. Now, first resistance here is here. This place is your first resistance level, okay? Now, second resistance level, your second resistance level can be somewhere here. Now, you have another resistance level, but the main resistance level, you have another one here at here, okay? Then you have another resistance level at here, then like this up. So all these places are liable to drop the price of Bitcoin once it hits this place. Now, there is a possibility that BTC will reach here, which has started happening. It didn't reach, but it has started happening. All this place. Now, it's possible that BTC will still come here and it will dump back. Possibility. But if the power of the buyers are very high, it will pass this one and start hitting this one. Okay, if their powers, will not be a good resistance level, so we can remove it. Okay, to here. Now, if the power of the buyers are still high, they are going to come here. Possibility is going to reach here. This is also a resistant level. This is also a resistant level. So noting all this I use resistant level in placing my targets, my selling targets. Resistance level is what I use to determine my selling targets. Okay, so once I enter a trade with my support here, let's assume I enter this trade, bring this. Now let's assume I enter this trade here using this support. Then I'm placing my selling target in this price. What is the price? The price is 29,600. That is the price. I'm setting my selling target. I have placed a buy order here and I'm setting my selling target here. Once you apply this in your trade, you are going to have an option trade only using support and resistance. It works perfectly well. Okay, when it don't happen is when there is bias in the market. Okay, when the market is moving sideways. When the market is moving sideways, or there is a fundamentals playing along and the price, this thing can disrupt this thing and it cannot work. But so far nothing is happening. That the fundamentals are cool, everything is cool. You are going to execute the trade using only support and resistance. Now, in support and resistance, there are three basic strategies for trading based on the support and resistance level. Now, there's what is called the reversal, the breakout test. I'm going to show you all these things in this chart. Now, the reversal is the most apparent strategy when trader needs to sell near the resistance level and sell near the support level. Okay, and buy, this is supposed to be buy, and buy near the support level. Okay, this is supposed to be buy, not sell. This place is supposed to be buy, not sell. But you adopt but if you adopt this strategy, you need to be extra careful during the sharp movement, like when there is high volatility in the market. Now let me show you when we spotted a reversal. So mainly what you can use this strategy is only for, maybe I can use what happens most is the resistance aspect, reversal from the up. So now something happened in BTC now. Okay, so what happened here is reversal. Normally in a normal sense, okay, normally in a normal sense, because it has hit here, it has hit here, it has hit, Bitcoin supposed to reach this resistance level before falling down. But what happened? A reversal happened here. It didn't reach the resistance level, and the price is now trying to go down again. Okay, so you can sell at this reversal. You can sell when you spot this reversal. You can sell. There are several occasions when it happened the same way also. Okay, normally this is the main place for this resistance, but here a reversal occurred and the price started dumping. So once you spot a reversal, maybe you are trading this asset now, you bought from here and you are trading this asset to here. Okay, you can place your selling target along all these places, because of what, there may be a reversal in the market and it might not reach your selling target, so you place it between here using the reversal strategy. Sometimes it will reach, but using this reversal strategy, you don't want to miss the opportunity that you have been making money from all this place. You have been making money all through here, and you are making money from here to here to here to here to here, and here you want to lose all the money you have made. So using the reversal strategy, you put a selling target around this place. Okay, now how do you determine this? Because this has not happened yet. You can use this place to determine that. Now this has not happened yet, so you use this place to determine that. Now this is your potential resistance level. This resistance level can also be traced here. All these places are resistance level for you. Now for you, knowing fully well that this price might not get to this resistance level, you can come here. Let me use this one. So you can come here, you can come this area and say, I'm placing my selling order here because I know the price might not get here. Okay, so that you will not lose all the money you have been making from here. That's what the reversal is talking about. So the breakout. This strategy implies the sell of the token once the price breaks the support level, and purchase of the asset once the price break the resistance level. This is one of my best strategy I do use. This is one of my best strategy I do use. As usual, as I usually said, trading breakout confirmation is always the best for me, as you will have more confidence on what will happen in that coin. This strategy always work when you are expecting important news and when the price is within a narrow range for a long time. So let me show you a practical example of this trading breakout. What is breakout? Breakout is just like the support here. The support is here. You cannot see. Okay, let's go to the chart. So I need to put this, and let's make clean this, all this. Now let's go. Let's spot a breakout. Now I want to use some examples, and now this place is a pure breakout that happened here. Sometimes this is what I do trade. Many people will testify to this. Sometimes this is what I do trade. Okay, let's assume in the morning, look here. So let's assume in the morning I'll be watching this trade. Okay, I'll be watching this trade. The price is here. I'll be watching it. Okay, I'm watching to know what will happen. So I will draw my line, this support line. I will draw it here. Okay, then once I draw this line, what am I hoping for? Once I draw this line, I'll tell myself that I will short this market. If I will short this market here, I'll short this market if the price break this place. If the price break this place, if the price break all the like this, if the price break this line, if the price break it and start falling down, if the price break this line, I will short the market. Now watch out what will happen if the price break this line. Now I will not enter this trade when the price range is here. I will not enter this trade when it's here. Okay, I will not enter this trade when it's here. I will enter this trade once this happens here. Watch me. Now, okay, I have entered this trade now. Now that I saw that the price has broken this my line, I will enter this trade. Now see what happens. See, I have short the market and I'm making money. I'm still making money. Okay, I'll be making money. I will make money from here down to these areas. Okay, the question is, will you have the patience to wait for this to happen? That's what some of the traders have problem in this. Like, you may find it very difficult to wait for breakout to occur before you can enter the trade. So that's why I say don't be too anxious in order to enter this trade. Wait for a breakout to happen before you can enter the trade. Sometimes it's good to wait for a breakout to happen in order to enter a trade. So this is a practical example that this breakout happened, and since then we are still falling. And we will keep falling until another breakout happens. Until another breakout happens, then we are sure that we are going to pass and start flying above. So for you to see that this has been a very big fall for this, you can see that You can see that here. So that's good to trade a breakout. It's very good to trade a breakout. This happened here, we shut it down and we make money from here. We are still making money. We are still making money till the downside here. Now, how can we determine when to close this trade? So far that all these things have not happened when we enter the price. We use the past record. Okay, we use the past record. Now, you open your chart very well. Okay, you open your chart very well. Then, or you use a longer time frame. Now, let me use 1 week time frame. So this is 1 week time frame. Okay, now this was when it broke this edge and we started falling. How do we know that we need to, where do we place our selling target? Let's assume we shorted this trade from there. We can place our selling target right here. Okay, we place here. Now watch what happened. That's why I say to you that BTC is likely to see here 18k 20k because it has broken this edge here. It has broken it in 1 week chart. So we are still in the bear market. We are still in the bear market. There's a high possibility that BTC is going to find the wedge here or here. Nobody knows and nobody prays for that, but it is showing you in the chart clearly that we are still in the bear market. Anything can happen, and it has started falling. And so far, this place didn't hold it. We all hoped that this support right here will push the price up, but it didn't happen. We have broken the support, and we are seeing ourselves down to 19k. So this is what we call breakout. Now, this is another potential place for us to trade this breakout. We can trade this breakout from here. Now, there is a coin I want to show you also where a breakout happened in the past. So I want to show you. I hope you all know how to place this. So this is DA USDT. So I'll put my DA here. So I already marked my chart. It was there before. So this is DA. Okay. Now there was a time I wanted to trade DA. I said if DA can pass this place right here, I'm going to long the coin. But since then, DA has found it very difficult to break this place. And since we have not broke this place yet, there is no way to long DA. So for me that likes trading breakout, I will keep waiting until any time that the price came and pass this line. Once it passes this line, I will long this token, and the next place I'm placing my selling order is I will place here, I'll place here, and I will place here. It will happen. This is what they call support and resistance. Now the next one we need to look for is the breakout test. This is a strategy uses the micro level principle. That is, after the breakout, the resistance works as support and the former support becomes resistance. Whenever an asset breaks out and still return to its entry point, it is called breakout test. Note, it has to test the pips of the area of the initial entry point or the initial breakout point. So this has no big deal to explain. This is a strategy used. This strategy uses the minor level principle. That is, after the breakout, the resistance was as support. I have showed you before, and the former support becomes resistance. Whenever an asset breaks out and still returns to its entry point, it is called a breakout test. Note, it has to test the pips of the area. Then how can we use, your question now is, how do we unique this strategy? Okay, you can use this strategy to test. You need to test it from the past results. So you can use it to notice that a breakout test can happen here. A breakout test can happen here. Let's assume you enter a trade here. You enter a trade here from a breakout. Okay. Now you run that trade to a resistance level. You exit that trade in that resistance level. Because you have noticed that a breakout test will happen, you might still come back and wait for this price in that support level because it's going to test again before going up. So do I have where there will be a breakout test here? So okay, I can say that this place was a support. Now this place now is no longer a support. This place was a support when the price was trading. It was trading here, but not a critical support. Okay, let's say that this place now was a support. This place was a support. Okay, this place was a support and this place was a support. Now let's bring this. Sorry for my drawing because I think shit. So now let's bring this. Let's assume this place is a support. This place is a critical support. Okay, we are talking about support and resistance. Then we enter this trade here. Okay, now this place was support. It happened, they reached here, and we started dumping. We dumped to here again. Understand? We tested. It was a breakout test. We tested this area again. Now we pumped higher, higher. When we fall down again, we fall, and this support couldn't hold the price right here. Then we braked. We break downwards. Now watch out that this support, which was a support before, is now serving as a resistance level to the price, that we can say that anytime this price breaks this place, we are likely going to see the price come up to this support level. This place, which was support before, now resistance, is actually going to come up to this place before dumping back again. This is what we call by a breakout test. You can find the circumstance where it happened before also, and you can use it in making your trade. So I wish this topic has shown you how to use support and resistance, how to determine your support and how to determine your resistance, and how to use your resistance as an entry trigger and how to use it as an exit point. And also you have known what is called reversal, and you have known what is called breakout, waiting for a confirmation to occur before you can enter a trade. So see you on the next topic.